Is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track. Let me say.
Alright, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video this week. So I'm not going to ramble too much. I am going to blow dry my hair out just to stretch and elongate my hair, dry it a little bit, and plus I don't want this style to take too long to dry. I'm going to do a 2-strand twist out, but I wanted it to be really long and elongated and okay, so I have completely detangled my hair into 4 sections. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying. And like I said, I'm not gonna blow dry my hair all the way through. I just want it kind of dry a little bit, but a tad bit damp. That way I can go ahead and do my 2-strand twist, and they will dry faster and they'll be a little elongated. So let's go through the drying process. All right, you guys. So I have completely almost dried my hair. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my twists. They are elongated and stretched out like I want them. So this is basically what I was going for. I wanted to try to dry my hair almost, but not all the way, so it still has all the products in it that it needs and the opportunity to work to make my hair style and dry in this style. Alright, y'all, so I have completely finished my entire head. I have dried it. I would say my hair is dried about 80%. It is about 20% still a little damp, or maybe 90%, but I did go in and put some gel on the ends so that stays together, but I'm just on my ends. I didn't put gel anywhere else, so I just put I did the lock method with the liquid or the cream from the Main Choice, so you can do that lock method of any product line that you choose from. And I just wanted to stretch my hair out a little bit so that my twist out is a little elongated and a little stretched. So far we're looking good. I'm gonna give this about 4 hours. Later on tonight I'll undo it and let y'all know how this turns out. And I did use a pretty good bit of oil because I wanted my hair to still have some shine and stuff. And I'm just gonna put my little bandana on and just hang out, and I'll come back when my hair is completely dry, and I'm gonna lay my edges and all that stuff later. So I'll see you all in a couple hours. Okay, so this is how it turned out. My hair has actually been tied up in a bandana for 2 days, so I like the way they're stretched though and kind of elongated and stuff. I probably should have put a little more gel on my ends to help them curl up a little more, but I think it's still gonna be cute. I even could put some rods on the ends. I should have did that yesterday, put some rods on the ends so they'd be curled up, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my hands. I need to do my edges real quick, so those will be done. But we're gonna see how this turns out. I think it's gonna be cute, so I'm probably gonna redo this video and actually put some rods on the ends. Alright, this is actually like really cute. So I did go ahead and put a little more oil on my hair as I was taking them down. I'm gonna probably put some just on my scalp.